Righto, we are on the road and we're going out to Kinal's village here in Siem Reap. So this is going to be another one of those voyeur, probably no cuts videos, just because I want to show you what has changed in and around Siem Reap. So let's crack in. Here is the Coolen Hotel where we stayed momentarily. Heritage Walk, all looking pretty lit up. And we're coming up to the Royal Gardens over that way over here. But we're not going past the Royal Gardens, are we? No, we're not. There's that lovely area up there where the Triangle Mart once was. There's cat's eyes on the road. If you don't know what a cat's eye is, it's those little reflective markers. What's this one called? Victoria Hotel. Le Connoisseur.
5-star hotel.
Yeah, we're going around the back here. Oh, lovely evening in Siem Reap. Looking a bit Pete Murray in there. This is definitely looking a bit Pete Murray. This joint's been shut down. What was this one called?
Victoria Hotel.
That was Victorian.
Oh, part of it.
Oh, part of it. The whole thing. Ratchet. See you later, alligator. Check out this.
Soccer Hotel.
This one here, Soccer.
Yeah.
Shut down.
Yeah.
Yep. Soccer Hotel. See you later, alligator. Cactus. Anchor Century. Anything happening there?
No,
Closed down. Unbelievable. This road looks good. This traffic lights up here is new, which is really, really good. This is where, if you go back to early 2019, I drove Kinal's uncle's car from the Coolen to a house, and this intersection here, I was a real smart ass and just cut people off and went straight through. So that won't be happening anytime soon because A, we don't have a car, and B, we have traffic lights. So we'll be obeying the law. There's a slip lane too, that's right, check it out. Slip lane, even though, hey, it's just going that way. Beautiful. Here's this road here, the hospital's up to our, up on our right up ahead. Nice new street lights. This is my first look at these street lights. Have a look on this side here, these things here. And on this side here, those ones up there. Don't they look pretty and smart? I've never seen a double, what would you call that? It's a double line, double dotted line before. I wonder what that means. Asian Emporium, things, weeds. This is Di Jana Angkor. Oh, there it is there. Change location. But yeah, this is coming up to the hospital, and now this area had some of the meanest speed humps in all of Siem Reap. If you had a car that was low or was full of rotund individuals, you were scraping, and there's a fair chance you might even get beached. But they've removed them and put some new fancy modern speed humps, which we'll come up to very, very shortly. But doesn't this all just look neat and organised and better? Here we go, here's our first speed hump. It's not even signposted, it's so gentle. Check it out here. Oh, smooth like a cup of tea. Yeah. Oh, we've got to go down the back way. Now this was a little Focus Fiestas let us go through.
That's the road to my land.
This one here?
Yeah. So you turn left.
You turn left and you go to...
You're gonna turn right.
This is all new too. This is beautiful. This was a back street. So was down here too.
Go back to my land.
Oh my goodness, this is luxury.
Gotta go around to your land.
Yeah. Nice mobile phone tower. Check this out. This is brand new. So this is sort of off the main drag. Tourists aren't going to come down here, but look how clean and luxurious this is. This isn't bitumen, it's more of a concrete. But we have modern LED streetlights up there. How wonderful. It is going to piss down if you look at those clouds over yonder. And I think it might be a bit late to do a village walk around Kinal's village. We'll do that another time. You have my word, ladies and gentlemen. Doesn't this just? I mean, look, it's rough. It reminds me of that little bit in, I don't know, I call it Clifton Hill and Victoria Parade. That's this concrete. And I think most of Sydney's got this shitty concrete because I don't know what happens to your roads up there. Yep.
Remember the road to Adelaide Market, how bumpy it was?
Yeah. Smooth as, yeah, I know. Max is just saying hello to his auntie Bonkbol.
Ompol.
Ompol? Why is it Ompol now?
For him.
Oh, so for me it's still Bonkbol. There you go, we're on another local moat. Ooh, bit of rough, but this is the road. I think Kralang Market is around here. Yeah, it's just over here, yeah. Ah. So this is Tuk Tuk communal village. Even here the roads are good. There's still a fairly good dip between the footpath and the road, which I think it's not as good as in town. And yeah, there's a bit of potholeage happening here. Caroline Market's up on the right. This road used to be absolute Scheisenhausen. There's still a couple of potholes in it, but it is a vast improvement. Check out this luxurious prayers.
I almost got lost. I was like, where the hell? I don't know how to get home.
This road has
Caroline Market.
Caroline Market. Is this road being done? I don't know.
Not the market, just the road.
Market. Yeah, a couple of bumps.
Everything says the same.
Yeah. Run! Look at this cruiser. Probably about $1 million back in Australia. There's Caroline Market in there. This is still a little bit bumpy, this one. Market traffic. Yeah, a few bumps. Pancake. I haven't had a pancake yet. Maybe I should indulge in a pancake. Yeah, check this out. So this is an old road, and check out the new flash road here we're about to go on. No, this is a new road. Bang, check this out. Look at the difference. Luxury. And then we're going to go along the greatest road in all of Siem Reap, which is Canal Street. This road is... Oh, you can't make it up. Righto, ladies and gentlemen, hold on to your backsides. After it rains, all the top stuff just buggers off. Oof. Oh. Slow and steady wins the race. Pipes are there. Potentially some optimism from the locals that the pipes mean they might put a road in and some drainage. It's a local little shop. Buy all your sweet things there. Yeah, Max doesn't give a rat's. Good four-wheel drive companion, this bloke. Have a look at the river, the water crossing here. Couple more. Oof. Oh, that is some funky water. Righto, and here we are. Right, time to do some stuff. Hope you enjoyed that ride and got to see a bit more of Siem Reap and the new roads. Chicka chow. Yeah, catch ya. Chicka chow.